So you know how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word, but spent the whole day trying to figure out how to remove the numbers from the first page. In this tutorial, I'm going to help you fix that by placing page numbers exactly where you need them to go. Hi, my name is Mike, and I help office professionals improve their skill set and workflow within the Microsoft Office suite. We're going to go over how to add page numbers, how to format them, how to remove a page number from your first page, and how to add page 1 to the second page of your document. To start adding page numbers to your document, click the Insert tab. Then in the Header and Footer group, click the Page Number drop arrow to open the Page Number menu. Here you can choose where to position the page numbers in your document, but for most business documents, you would want to position the page number at either the top or the bottom of the page. I'll choose the top of the page for this example. A gallery of page number styles opens. This is where you can choose the formatting of your page number. Just be aware of the rules you should know for your document. For example, MLA-style research papers require you to place the page number on the top right of the page. So in this case, we would have to choose style plain number 3. Now, if we want to remove the page number from the first page, we would click the different first page checkbox. The page number field is now removed from this first page of our document. If we want to begin the second page with page 1, maybe you have a title page on the first page that doesn't need to be included in the page numbers. You could click the page number drop arrow, then select Format Page Numbers from the drop-down menu. In the box to the right of Start At, we'll type in 0 and then press OK. That's going to allow us to have the title page as the 0 page and the second page to start at page 1. Then just remember to close the header and footer options when you're done. Now, if you need to start a page number 1 beyond the first 2 pages, it can be quite challenging. There's one little trick that can solve this problem, and I go over how to solve that in this video. So click on this video, and I'll see you over there for more word help on page numbers.